Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. First of all, a very happy new year to you all. Then happy Makar Sankranti, happy Lori and happy Magh Bihu. These days are celebrated across all over India with different customs. But the main reason behind this celebration is that after this day, the sun actually moves towards north and the days become longer. So we celebrate this day. In my culture, we call it Magh Bihu. It is one of the most famous festival which is celebrated in Assamese culture. We celebrate this day by worshipping fire because fire is considered very sacred in Indian culture. Then we make a lot of traditional dishes and traditional sweet dishes. One of the famous sweet dishes that is prepared across all over India is til and gur ka laddu. It is prepared just with two ingredients, that is til or jizmi seeds and gur or jaggery. So let's see how to make this yummy sweet dish.
So let's take a look at the ingredients. We need to prepare this yummy delicious til ka laddu. I have taken til or sesame seeds about 300 grams, then gur or jaggery about 250 grams, then some peanuts about 100 grams and ghee or clarified butter about 2 to 3 tablespoons. First, we will fry the sesame seeds and the peanuts. For that, heat up a pan, then add til or the sesame seeds and fry it for 3 to 5 minutes. Once it starts turning into brown, it will give a very nice aroma. That means it's done. Now transfer it into a plate. Also fry the peanuts for 2 minutes until it starts turning into brown. Now in the same pan, add about 2 teaspoons of ghee and then add jaggery or gur. Now add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and let it boil until it starts bubbling. You have to be very careful while doing this because if you overheat the jaggery, your laddus will be very hard, and if you didn't boil it properly, it will be very soft. You can also check by adding a drop of it into cold water. If it is sticking like I am showing, that means it's done. As you can see, my jaggery is almost start bubbling, so I am going to add til and the peanuts and mix it well. Now transfer the mixture into a plate. Spread some oil on the plate so that the mixture won't stick to it. Finally, it's time to make the laddus. You have to be little fast while doing this because once your mixture is very cool, it will be very difficult for you to make the laddus. To make the laddus, first we will apply some oil on our hands and then we will take about 1 tablespoon of the mixture and then give it a round shape with our palms. Be careful because the mixture can be very hot and it may burn your hand. You can dip your finger into some cold water if it's too hot. You can make round shaped laddus by rolling between your palms like I am doing. And finally, your delicious til ke laddus are ready. Enjoy!
I hope you liked this sweet dish and also the video. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notification about my upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye bye.